Today started slow, just me, my hot breakfast, and head of client commands. I knew I had a long day ahead for my task today. My task today was building a cyber-resilient network for a fictional company called Configurating Solution. The brief was clear but not simple. Design a secure network using Cisco packet tracer with VLAN, access control, layer 2 security, wireless for both staff and guests, a web server in a DMZ, and adding routers and switches, all for a company with 5 departments and 20 users. I started with IP addressing and VLAN segmentation. Honestly, this part felt straightforward until it doesn't. Just one typo in the sub-interface or forget to no shutdown report, and you'll be sitting there for 15 minutes wondering why your PC won't ping hit gateways. After mapping out software dev, HR, finance, IT support, and management VLAN, I realized something. Security isn't just about blocking threats, it's about designing access the right way. So I applied ACL, resisting HR from finance, stopping developers from accessing sensitive VLAN, and making sure only management had full access. Then came wireless. Let me tell you, setting up guest and corporate Wi-Fi sound easy until you start configuring SSIDs, disabling broadcasts, enabling WPA2, PSK, and filtering MAC addresses, all in packet tracer. It's like doing real life IT with imaginary devices. Layer 2 security was another hurdle. Port security codes, taking Mac, okay. Then DHCP snooping, ARP inspection, burial do UGAT. Suddenly my switch felt more secure than my actual home router. One challenge I didn't expect, the little things, and ACL applied to the wrong interface. The first gateway mismatch. But every time something doesn't work, I Google test, failed, and tried again. Finally, I moved to device hardening, SSH over telnet, encryption passwords, setting privilege levels, and creating warning banner like unauthorized access prohibited because, well, I'm in cybersecurity now. After testing ping results, capturing screenshots, and saving my packet tracer five times just in case, I realized this wasn't just an assignment, this was the real deal. I designed and implemented a secure network from scratch like an actual junior cybersecurity engineer. And that's what I started the day with. Let's just say it's powered the few stack cyber defense by launch. This task was not an easy. A lot of challenges was faced, but such great lesson was learned during the challenge. Always remember, to be a cybersecurity, you have to go with your curiosity and a good mindset. And remember, a phrase at a time, tech world is for everybody.